Hi my people, how una dey? So I don collect small thing from this particular update. Now I say make I come here come talk about am today. Make we see as in dey whether it make sense, abi e no make sense. Because I don dey see this update, you understand? I don dey eye this update, you understand? As I don dey eye the update come be like say na update wey go get small potential. So now I thought say okay, make I try am. As I try am, I just do one or two. I see small thing. I say no, make I come here come talk about this particular update. If you dey see me for the first time, my name na Solomon. Here I dey talk about different updates. If I see small updates and the update make sense, I go come here come talk about them so that if you like them, if you try them, you understand. If you want to collect better update for my hand, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video. Make sure you subscribe so that if I drop new update, then go ring you, then go notify you say new update dey grind. You go come check them. If you like them, go try them. Another thing be say I beg make una know say me no be financial advisor. Me like this now waiting they work out for me. They come here come talk about. And for the fact say the thing they work out for me, no mean thing go work out for you. You understand? So I just they come here come talk about them. Just they share my experience and no be tutorial like come here to come do. Me I know they do tutorial for this particular YouTube page. Now review be say I dey come here to come share my own personal opinion. Tutorial now when person they teach, review na opinion and they come here to come share. But if you like to collect my tutorials or if you want to see my tutorials, make you join my community, join my WhatsApp community, join my Telegram community, and make you join me for my cirrden account, cirrden.com/solid pictures TV. I go tell you now wetin be this platform. I go tell you now how the platform they some of their earning options and the earning potential and their pros and their cons. Within I don't see so far, their withdrawal options and everything. So I go share my opinion. This particular platform then they call them Gemgala. Gemgala na the name of the update. Now be that I see them from one art. So you get one art like that I've been they watch from this YouTube. That's okay, maybe this update go make sense. You understand? So I decide say okay, make I can't try this particular update. So I can't try and based on I don't do small research based on the testimony around. I see the team be like something way makes more sense for some people, you understand? But first of all, make you know say this thing feel no work for your location, you understand? Because most of these particular platforms like this they work based on location. So if you know work for your location, so make you just check them. If you dey active for your location, just tell me for comment section and make you don't forget to comment where they watch this video from. This platform now platform where talk say if you they use their platform, they play small fun games. They say if you play fun games, maybe they collect. Now this one I go say this one not true because I don't use and play small game. You get one kind of game, the game they furnish. Now all these small block building games like that, I don't use and play that game. Then I don't collect small thing. You get what they call chat room. Chat room now room where you fit chat with different people from different part of the world, different country. Now then get another place here where then they call moment. This moment na place where if you come you can they post your pictures, you know, your fun moments. If you just they post them there, then get another place here where then they call videos. This one na place where if you can they post videos. You understand? These people then get two different kind of coins for this platform. Number one, they call them gem. Number two, na coin. Now the coin, now the one where if you use, or if you buy from them, if you use this coin, they join different battle, different competition, different games. Now if you use this coin, they join. But as a new member, as I registered, then give me around 300,000 coin for free. You understand? Then give me coin. You understand what I use? You understand? Or where I still they use. And it be like if you they gift people through this coin. So if you buy this coin, if you see somebody where do something where you like them, if you they gift them. This other one where they green, now the gem. This one where you fit withdraw. You understand? And now this one where they call gem, now the one where you fit withdraw. So this gem now me, I don't as I play that their game, I gather some of this gem. You understand? I collect like $1.1. You understand? Now I collect for this gem. Now the game where I play collect this particular gem. Understand? So 11,000 gem give me $1.1. So before you get the minimum withdrawal will be around $10. If you see like 100,000 gem or more than 100,000 gem, you understand? Now it can be $10. Okay, so another way where they toss if you use the collect small thing here. Now if you invite your friends for this platform, so now the ways them be this way if you use the collect, or if another way the way I never noticed yet, I go still let you know for another video. You understand? Okay, so what's be the minimum withdrawal? I don't talk here say the minimum withdrawal here na $10. I don't talk about their recharge. I don't talk about everything. Now what's be the pros and the cons for this platform. Okay, number one pro be say the platform dey easy. For some people, e go dey complicated. If you be person wey no too sabi all this online stuff, e go dey you complicated. Another pro come be say their earnings here e dey straightforward. You understand? So no magu, no corny. If you play game, you collect. If you join people room, compete with other people, you go collect. So no magu no dey. Na just straight to the point. And another pro here come be say to reach the minimum withdrawal threshold, e no go too hard based on wetin I don see for now. But I don't know whether later if you try to they complete, you understand, then go they reduce your earnings. But based on wetin I don't see for now, for you to reach the minimum withdrawal threshold based on the speed where me are dey now, you know go hard. But I don't know yet, in case maybe I try to go they do am later and they can't go they reduce the speed, or they go they reduce the amount of rewards where they collect, all those kind of things, you understand. And another thing will be pro here be say their minimum withdrawal not too plenty. Wetin be some of the things we I don't like about the platform so far. Number one, sometimes they go they disconnect their server. If you won't come play game, no be every time you go come they play game. For example, now if you come here go see say they don't disconnect their server as they see. So personally right now I know if you do anything everywhere here now they blank. But I don't know whether na my network or some. But right now they see say they don't disconnect their server. The thing they happen a lot. Every other thing they work for the platform. Now just this their game. Now I know they work for now. So now the first thing I don't like be that. And the second thing I don't like about this their platform come be say their withdrawal options. Okay, so withdrawal options here, they no get plenty withdrawal options for this particular platform. So if you tell me say make I rate this platform from 1 to 10 based on the structure and the way in they go like that, like I said, I no feel rate and pass 5/10. You understand? Because I never cash out yet. I just say make we talk about them. So I no feel rate and pass 5/10. And what be the earning potential for this platform? I see the platform get better earning potential, but you go work before you feel meet up that amount of earning potential. If you spend like 5 hours, 10 hours for the particular platform every single day before if they see that kind of amount, and you go to do plenty activities. You don't use the platform in the workout for you. Just tell me what you think for comment section. If I get my minimum withdrawal, I go still come here, come talk about them, come do video tell you how the thing day, you understand? And I know saying that so me a day. Before I go, that particular update where I talk about when they call Fun TV, I don't get my minimum withdrawal. I go come do another video to show now or to tell you now how the withdrawal go. If I don't be able to withdraw, I never be able to withdraw. So I go tell you now for another video. So bye for now.